Hello, everyone. I'm Xiaohe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make snakehead fish slices hot pot. We will use snakehead fish slices from Jack, King's, which are ready to cook without the need for coating with starch or washing, making it very convenient. The fish meat is tender and white, and the slices are evenly cut and of moderate thickness. Once the broth is boiling, add the fish slices and cook for about 1 minute before they are ready to eat. Let's try the snakehead fish slices now. The cooked fish slices are tender and boneless, making them enjoyable to eat. And this snakehead fish slices are perfectly compatible with hot pot, quickly absorbing flavors and remaining intact even with longer cooking time. For those who love fish slices hot pot, I highly recommend giving it a try. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Jack, King's, a taste of China anytime anywhere.